Hey guys, so today I'm showing off one of my favorite recipes for microwave peanut butter caramel brownies. I make these a lot just because they're so quick and easy to make, especially if you have unexpected company or something and you want something to just throw together quickly to serve them so that you can still spend time with your company but have something good to eat. This recipe is really great for that. So it's just a few quick ingredients that you throw together and then about 4 to 6 minutes in the microwave, so it's ready in under 10 minutes. So to start off, I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in the base of my small baker here and just rub that along with my brush here. And we're going to line the bottom of the baker with pieces of Mars bar. So definitely don't skip this step. It definitely adds to the tastiness of this recipe. And now we're going to set that aside and finish mixing up the brownie batter. So I just have 2 cups and 2 tablespoons of brownie mix here from a package. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of water, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Just going to mix this together quickly. Alright, and I'm just going to spread this over top of the Mars bars. And I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of melted peanut butter and just spread that across the top. Alright, and I just swirled the peanut butter around a little to make a nice design on the top. So now I'm just going to put this in the microwave. Like I said, for 4 to 6 minutes. I usually start with 4 and see where it's at just because all microwaves are different. Alright, there we go, microwave brownies. So I ended up leaving these in for about 5 minutes and they're looking perfectly cooked there.